Hi guys, this is the PC Guy 13, and today I have a Zippo unboxing. I've got a special Zippo today. This is the 80th anniversary Zippo, so let's have a look. As you can see, this is the 80th anniversary one. It's the red one with the angular brushed chrome. I picked this up for about $40 from my local Zippo store. It's really nice. It's basically, this one was made in J of 2011, and mistake me if I'm wrong, but I think this is October 2011. It also has a nice insert, sparks. Yeah, that's the Zippo. And this is the box it comes in. It's like a velvet almost. It's really nice. And this is the cover. It says a whole warning. It has it's like a little pamphlet in here, which inside the lid. And that's basically the Zippo unboxing for you guys. And that's it. So hope you enjoyed this video.